Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting to the server and confirming the target. Authenticate with an account that can drop databases. This prevents permission errors later. Once connected, list databases and double-check the exact name. Mongodb is case-sensitive. Make sure you are not on a production primary if you need controlled downtime. Instead, coordinate maintenance. Switch into the target database using useTargetDB, so subsequent commands act on the correct database. Now perform the actual drop and handle replica set nuances. Once on the target database, inspect collections briefly to avoid surprises, then run db, drop database. It returns a status object so you can confirm success. If you operate on a replica set, make sure you run the command on the primary and include an appropriate write concern, such as majority, so the drop replicates cleanly. If scripting, use Mongo eval or a driver call. Make sure to handle errors programmatically. Finish by verifying the database is gone and cleaning up any residual state. Once db, drop database, reports success, run show dbs and attempt to list collections on that name. It should be absent. If the operation fails because of open connections or primary lock, make sure to close client connections or step down the primary briefly and retry on the new primary. One key troubleshooting tip. If you see write concern or replication errors, check replica, set health, and address member connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.